Here is the MC-10, a stock version. It was part of the TRS-80 line of computers sold through Radio Shack. It was created to be a low-cost alternative to the CoCo to directly compete against the VIC-20 and the Sinclair ZX80. Some of the main features of the MC-10 is it had 4 kilobytes of RAM. The processor was a 6803 by Motorola. It had a built-in serial port, RS-232. It used a 6847 VDG video processor, just like the CoCo had. But it also had many challenges. One of the challenges was that limited memory of just 4K. The display output was via RF only. It only had available to it tape storage, as well as the chiclet keyboard made typing a little bit more of a challenge. And also it's small, and really that is a benefit, but it's not truly portable. So what is available for the MC-10? There is a few main upgrades that really fix the majority of the issues. One is the Zippster sells the MCX32-SD. The 32SD provides 32 kilobytes of memory and also storage capacity to store your programs on the SD. It also modifies BASIC, so you have new commands to save files and to do directory lookups, etc. To fix the RF only video, Zippster has the Composite mod, so taking out the RF modulator box inside, you can adjust it, and now it has composite input, as well as the PiKey.tech. That is an amazing upgrade that fixes both the keyboard, allowing you to have a USB keyboard. It also adds joystick ports to the MC-10 and just gives it an overall great upgrade. And the final piece that is missing is making the MC-10, even though it's a small little item that fits in your hand, the size of basically a keyboard hardcover book. What it isn't is truly portable, and that's what the Porta MC-10 fixes.